It is Nico Moreno here, and in this video I'm going to show you how one of my robot trades, my Forex robot, made over $3,000. Yes, that's right. One trade made over $3,000, which at that time was about 5%, even more than 5% of my account. So if you want to see exactly how this robot is making passive trades that are amounting to thousands of dollars and how you can actually copy it as well, then stick around and watch the rest of this video. Showing a little bit on the charts, but again, remember, in order to have this robot work, you don't need to understand this. I just want to explain a little bit of the strategy because the robot itself is kind of always doing this in the background, and it places the trades and closes the trades fully automatically. So here we are on gold. So for those of you who don't, who don't trade or don't really know much about Forex, that's okay. This is the symbol for gold, XAUUSD. And yeah, so what we're doing right now is we're looking at the chart for gold. And I just want to give you an example of kind of like how the robot works and how it decides when to place trades. Basically, if the robot senses that this trend line gets crossed right here, then, and that would basically look like, let me just paint. That would basically look like if price goes like that. Oops. How do I turn that? Okay, so anyways, wow, very annoying. Okay, if price crosses this line, then basically that is a pattern that shows that most likely price is going to continue downward. So what it would do is it would place a trade right here, a sell trade, and then it would scoop up some profits right here. Okay, so let me show you an example of this working. Let me show you an example of that actual same type of trade. Okay, so here is another example of, you can see right here we have a trend line, a clear trend line in place, right? And then you see the price starts to fall, and then it actually pierces through the trend line, right? So it stops following the trend and it just starts dropping. But anyways, yeah, I just wanted to show you an example of that, and then also, so yeah, I just wanted to show you guys a little bit on that, and let's show you, my FX book. And so here's an example. So I filtered on some of the biggest trades that my account has done, specifically on gold. So again, like I said, XAUUSD is the gold, and yeah, you can see right here, this is the profit. So it's made, not all of them are this big, but you can see it's had some pretty darn hefty trades. This one made $808. This one made $1,000. This one also made $1,000. This one made $3,700. So, I mean, it's pretty insane, and it's all using this strategy, and it's all happening completely passively on autopilot. So, I just wanted to break that down. We'll stop looking at charts because I know that people who are watching this channel probably don't care that much about it. They more care about what it can do for you. So again, if you want to actually copy all of these same trades over to your account, then there's a link down below. You can actually do that, and we have people who have already started doing that. So go ahead, click the link down below, and you can apply. All right, thanks for checking this out, guys, and I hope that you enjoyed this video and that you loved it. I just want to open up your eyes to the opportunity that is available to literally everyone. This does work around the globe. Doesn't matter if you have any tech skills, it runs completely passively on autopilot without any manual trading, without staring at charts, without knowing any of the stuff that I just showed you. It'll still work for you. So if you are interested in getting these same trades placed on your account automatically, then all you need to do is click the link down below. There's gonna be a very short application, and yeah, if the application looks good, then I will let you know the next steps on how to get started with the bot, and you could potentially be set up within the next few days. So click that link down below if you are interested in getting these crazy robot trades happening on your account as well. I have a bunch of people who have already started using it, and they are, they're experiencing the exact same trades that I just showed you. So love, peace, happiness, abundance, wealth, all the good stuff, and I will see you guys next time.